In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. This is an essential step to ensure that your clients have all the necessary details to make payments seamlessly and promptly. First things first, you'll need to open the Xero website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your financial data. From the dashboard, the next step is to find the Sales tab. This tab is your gateway to all things related to invoices, bills, and revenue recognition. Hover over or click on Sales, which reveals a range of options at your disposal. Now go ahead and select the Invoices option. At this point, you'll be directed to a new page where you can view, manage, and create invoices for your business. Creating an invoice is as simple as choosing New Invoice, which you'll find prominently displayed. Clicking this option takes you to a blank invoice form ready for customization. But hold on, our goal lies just a few clicks away. Here, you'll notice three dots, often referred to as the Action menu, which hold further settings and options for your invoice. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, select Invoice Settings. This section is crucial for tailoring the invoice to suit your business needs. In Invoice Settings, navigate to Options, where you can further modify the configuration of your invoices to best fit your business operations. Once in the Options menu, click on Edit. This is where the magic happens. You're now in a position to specify your terms and payment information, tailored to ensure your clients have clear directions for making payments. This section is not just about adding bank details, it's about communicating payment terms clearly to foster smoother transactions and relationships with your clients. In the Terms and Payments section, you'll find fields to input your bank details. This includes your bank name, account number, and any other relevant information your client will need. Clearly specifying these details will make it easier for your clients to process payments efficiently and reduce the possibility of errors or delays. After inputting your bank details, double-check to make sure everything is accurate and there are no typos. Detailed attention here can prevent future payment issues. Once you're satisfied, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located towards the bottom of the page, and click it to commit your new settings. Congratulations, you've successfully added your bank details to an invoice in Xero. This small yet crucial task enhances your invoicing process, providing a professional and clear avenue for clients to submit their payments. Now, with your invoice ready for distribution, you're well equipped to manage your business transactions seamlessly. Thanks for joining me in this step-by-step guide, and happy invoicing.